Okay, here we are in the Hall of Ocean Life again, and I don't know how well we'll do in here because the lighting is very low. It's meant to look like you're in the ocean. But we'll wander around and see what we can see. The reason I hold my camera like this is so that we don't get a whole lot of people's faces, because there's a lot of people in here. Like that right there. Wish we could get better lighting, but that is a coelacanth. A once believed extinct fish. Over here is a smaller squid. Look at the whale again. A massive whale. We'll come down here and look at the whale shark. Should have good enough lighting of him. There is the whale shark. Great big mouth, perfect for kissing. And this is probably the only time that I will ever see a reef shark, and especially the great white shark, because they're not in any zoo anywhere. They just don't do well in captivity because they need enormous amounts of space to swim. Lots of lower exhibits here about plants and rocks, and I don't know what this is. Unfortunately, there's no information about him. Look at the giant crab, my goodness. That'd feed people for a lot of days. Oh, maybe there is. He is enormous. Yeah, again, the lighting in here is not the best. We'll come back here and see if we can figure out what this thing is. It's an opa. Okay, let's wander down here. Here's a whale from the other side. Okay, here we are at the giant Japanese crab. He is huge. I think this one is a tuna. Pretty sure that's a tuna. Probably bluefin tuna. I'm sorry. Can I read this sign? It's a northern bluefin tuna, exactly as I thought it was. Thank you. Okay, let's go downstairs and see what they got downstairs. And here is a lower level view of that giant whale. Again, it's a blue whale, the biggest animal that ever lived. Absolutely enormous. Okay. Let's go look at some sea lions.
The coast of California, Alaska, Canada.
They're all on the west coast?
Yeah. And they're in some parts of Russia.
How are you today? Good.
So webbed foot, and I forget the name of it.
What are you doing?
Got two sharks chasing a poor turtle. What in the world did the turtle ever do to them? Poor guy. There's a happy author. Just floating on his back, having a gay old time. But unfortunately, you can't really see the sign. Here's some guys digging for clams. And here's Mr. Polar Bear. Uh-oh. His seal friend looks like went to sleep on him. Excuse me. There's a big, beautiful turtle. Some funny looking fish. Now we're underneath the whale. Holy mackerel. Great big Mr. Whale. Here's some walruses. There's a beautiful manatee. Look at his great big nose. Oh, what a yawn.